Understanding Cleaning Up, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cleaning up. It's a common expression in English, used in various contexts. We'll break it down, so you can use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. Cleaning up primarily refers to making a place tidy by removing dirt, clutter, or mess. It's often used in everyday conversations. For instance, I'm cleaning up the kitchen after dinner. The kids are busy cleaning up their toys. It implies an action of organizing, tidying, or sanitizing a space. Subsection 2.1. Figurative use. Sometimes, cleaning up is used figuratively. It can mean solving problems or correcting mistakes in various situations, not just physical cleaning. For example, after the misunderstanding, he had some cleaning up to do in his relationship. Subsection 2.2. Informal contexts. In informal settings, cleaning up can mean winning a large amount of something, often money. For instance, she really cleaned up at the poker game last night. Subsection 2.3. Business and finance. In business or finance, cleaning up might refer to organizing or rectifying financial records or issues. For example, the new manager is cleaning up the company's accounting practices. When using cleaning up, consider the context. Ask yourself, is it about literal cleaning? Or is it used figuratively? This understanding will help you use the phrase appropriately in conversations. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of cleaning up. It's a versatile phrase with both literal and figurative meanings. Remember, the key is to understand the context in which it's used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.